Hi, this is Chef Sarab and I'm going to be making Paneer Makhni today. Paneer Makhni is one of the most popular North Indian dishes and I'm going to show you how to make it easily at home. Let's get started. We're going to make our makhni sauce. I'm just going to put in a little bit of oil before I put in the butter to melt. Butter. As the butter is getting melted, I'll throw in some bay leaves, crushed green cardamoms, cloves. Melt the butter on medium to low temperature so it doesn't burn. Ginger, garlic, some chopped green chilies. Okay, saute for a minute. I'm adding tomato puree. You can use homemade or store-bought. Some salt, red chili powder. I'll add some water. To bring this to a boil, we'll add in some cream. Adjust the quantity of cream according to your taste. A little bit of honey, not too much, just very little, because tomato puree is quite sour and you got to balance the flavors. Just add in a little bit, it makes it very tasty, but too sweet is not so good. Garam masala. Now we'll add in our paneer cubes. Makhani gravy looks good, so we switch off the flame. I've not added too much cream, you could add more. Kasuri methi lastly, crushed kasuri methi, some sliced ginger. Okay. So let's plate it. Garnish with a little more kasuri methi and some ginger slivers. This is the simplest makhani gravy you can make. You can make this and store it in batches in your freezer. Do try this at home and leave your comments below. This is Chef Sarab. I'll be back with many more vegetarian and vegan recipes soon.